Hi guys, I was repairing or changing the text that's in here on FOSS torrents. That's where we host our torrents. And yeah, actually we're already in number 10. Anyway, I looked up, I scrolled through these things, and a few things I have not seen yet. And Blendos is one of those. Snell OS I've just done, and Leah is another one I've just done. So if you learn how to use Arch, you can use any of these guys, right? So that's the point of learning. Switch around things. See if one is better than the other, is better suited for you. So Blendos, have a look at the website, what it says. Without reading too much, I want it to work, right? Just want it to be intuitive. And let's go for the installer. Ooh, let's do that again. This one is no mod set. Okay, that's okay. No mod set means I have I have difficulties with my graphical driver, being it NVIDIA. Often it is, not Intel, not AMD. Often it is that one. But then you say no mod set, and then you figure out later on what drivers do I need, what apps do I need, and then there you go. So this one is in. That's the next one. Torrent has been downloaded. So welcome to, you start your thing. Okay, I'm not a complex guy, just give me the default. I'll be happy with it. But at least 8 characters, so right. Yeah, I know, but no, I actually don't want to do that. Oh, it goes. There are some problems, not probably aligned, best performance. As long as you keep going, my friends. Can we make this bigger? No. This is Jade GUI, right? Jade GUI, Blendos in Crystal. Jade as the backend, beautiful UI. Have this reflex to just go to some terminal and say yay, and then Jade. See what you find. Don't think it's in there. But here it is, right? Flatpak. You can install it with this one, with that one, if you really want it. In the meantime, we know that we have Zen. The new Jade GUI that comes in. System D things. I think everything gets updated. So internet required, I guess. I'm not sure what happens if I don't. Reflector. And just press the pause button because, yeah, we gotta install lots of stuff. Let's wait. At some point in time, scripts always end, right? So, next. Sorry for that. Let's reboot. So, is this the real metal or is it a virtual DVD? Let's see. That is a very black screen indeed, but it is Gnome. And we know Gnome and Wayland. They like one another. As always the case with VirtualBox. I guess we have an issue. Right control F3, F4, F5, control F5, F1, F2. So we can't reach the TTY. So that means it's the end for me. It is the end for me. Control F1, F2, F3. Sometimes it takes a while for the whatever it's doing to stop. Gonna try several attempts, and then at some point in time, yay, we got TTY. But that's not the case today. Control F1, F2, F3, F4. All right, long enough. Control F. I can do one thing more. Let's do a cancel. Right Control R. No mode set. That's true. We had a second line. Control F, Control F. Control. Aha. So there's a driver thing. So he wants to, yeah. Okay, got it. So power off, power off. This is the machine. So we don't want this, we want actually this. Yeah. That's better. Okay. So it was still booting from the DVD, which gave an issue, which didn't give an issue prior. Oh my god, I did not ask this. Oh, did I give a password? I don't think so. Did I? No. I only know my own password. I was double password. Remember? Yeah. It had to be 8 characters long. So we get Gnome, and that's okay. English. That is definitely not okay. Belgian next. Whatever. Brazil. Look at that. Beauchamp. Bruxelles. Next. Who am I? That's good enough. I have a password to set. And of course, it's not long enough. Oh my god. They're imposing their rules on me. I can skip it. There it is. I thought, where's this thing? So, to remember, Super S and Super A in GNOME. What do we have? These things. Is that all? I guess so. That's it. Those are the things. Let's go to the display. Aha, this is new. This we've never seen. Let's go to the display. $1,920, 1080. Apply. Keep changes. Voila. So, what do we have? Installed apps will appear in the application launcher. Binaries, gimmicks, unit containers, name. Apt Ubuntu. Named Ubuntu. We got ourselves all of this. There's already 24.10, guys. Well, it's recent. I know. Apologies. Android apps initialize Waydroid. Yep, I'm not into Android things, but it's there. Not yet, I should say. Huh? Never say never. No communication. Control T is not there. Super Enter. Super Shift Enter. Super T. Okay. Terminal. Console. Sudo. Is Pacman there? He is. Is apt there? No apt. Okay. So sudo pacman -s. Is Firefox already installed? He's busy. Can I kill him? Nope. Is there something now called unlock or something? I have a lock key now. Super X. Just log out, log in, or reboot. I wonder if the lock is gone if we log out. We have this alias that removes the lock. Let's see. Yep, longer password. Should become a little bigger. That's good. Terminal, arrow up, arrow up. Right, password is longer. Sudo pacman -suv. That's where everything is. Where is the log file? There he is. So sudo remove var log file is in lib pacman.com dblog. Hey, no such file, it says. Could not log database. Read only database. Maybe it has to do with the fact that it's immutable. Might be. Would like to install something, right? Would be nice. So the reboot. Reboot. Let's see if we get it working if we reboot. I think this is one of those OSs that you better read up, go to BlendOS and see what is the point of it all, what do I need to learn about this, the specificity about this repo. So terminal sudo pacman -syu. Still was unable to do that, like I said, right? Say what you do and do what you say. BlendOS and read away. Installation, reference, guides. Git clone. Installation. Introduction. Beginning by opening this thing. We are a prior ArcoLinux user. We need to change this. We can add packages. Updating is via this. Akshara. Okay. Sudo Akshara. And what else? Help, update, and version. Attempting to acquire system lock. Something is happening. Let's read on. So basically, better use this thing that we interrupted. Every few days to keep your system in sync. You also have to run it if you change this thing, system YAML, which is basically telling where everything is. It's just one link, no backup links. What is he doing? Oh my god, 6 GB. I hope I have enough room on my virtual machine. 6.5. So we have a file to look at. System YAML. I would immediately indeed add something. I wonder if we can add ArcoLinux repos. Does it still have come on, make another one. Does it have the same Backman D stuff? Mail list there. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going to these guys. So we could add, let's do another one, nano etc backman.conf. We have this. The download user all-pm is there already. Yay! Disable sandbox. And then core, extra, multilib, breakfast. Package a repo, Blendos. We're up to date, he says. We need to reboot. We are rebooting. This is what we do. Level 3 quiet splash crypt device, right? I want to have a crypt device, which leads to this. Nothing happening. It does not want my password. Right control, quick check. I was not doing anything wrong. Guess not. Password prompt should come. And there he is. Now we should wait another seconds. That's why I don't like doing it like this. Encrypted. We gotta wait, right? Okay, there it is. Right, password. So what if I do want something different than Firefox? What if I want to have a console sudo pacman -s chromium. Password them. Then it says failed to init transaction, unable to log database. So how do we install stuff? Do I need to go to the file, change it? This is not for the first beginner, right? First time in Linux? Not Blendos. To install packages from AOR, we better take a look at the system YAML, right? Where is system YAML? Edit the system YAML. Looks like this. And there you are. Oh, just in the root. Wow. Just on the root. Boom. And true. Like without packages, can I? Chromium. So these are the lines. Blendos tracks raw main packages co, not .com, but co. And now we keep adding, I guess, packages. Let's try tab. Chromium. And then exit. Control X actually, Control C, Control X. Yes. That's done. And now we have to run this thing. Ooh. There's something hidden in there. I think this is okay. Let's do 3 spaces. Chromium, yes. X, yes. Okay. So I suppose that's gonna work. Show me. Whoa, why is it doing all that? Because of the lights. I hope Chromium's in there. Yay, Chromium's in there. Okay, so I'm getting things from Arch, adding it to the list. Then we can use this button, or the same thing as this. That's one I would like to have. On the other hand, we have this application in Chaotic, we have this application ArcoLinux in the repos. So why would I go build it, right? AOR takes a while to build. We can switch with default Gnome to Gnome, Plasma, Mate, XFC, Cinnamon. And which would be interesting. So terminal, yeah, doesn't want to do that. So I could do not that one. I guess I need to type it, sudo nano, and then there's just one file, and the name was package list. Also interesting to have a look. System YAML. So track. If I say in my track here, default Gnome, and I use Plasma, then I'm just switching around. Plasma. Save, yes. This will be a bunch of work. You must reboot first. Okay. Sure. If he says so, listen to him, right? No clue how Blendos works. Are there apps in here that are concerning the immutable things that we have now? Don't see any. The system, was it settings? The settings is one. Manage grid thing is what? So in the meantime, that's the cups thing. So that's the, nope, that's the one that we know. The one that we don't know is this. That needs some study. Well, we hope to see KDE later on. Okay, wallet KDE. I think that's gonna work just fine. Everything is being installed. I wonder what's gonna happen with Gnome. I suppose it's gone. We have Plasma and Chromium and hopefully Firefox still. Didn't say anything about that, so I suppose it's still there. All the rest is Gnome stuff. How does this look? Totem. Let's pause a bit. I've been reading in the meantime. There still needs to be written a lot of information because this is the page, and well, yeah, it's not that much. Password once. Password the second time. Look at that. Gnome initial setup. He should go. Plasma Wayland, let's go for X11, right? Just to be safe. Ah, password is wrong. Okay, skip. Make it bigger. I always look for where is it again. Much better. Keep, thank you. And then let's look at the rest. By the rest I mean I thought about changing the global theme. Is that an issue? Suppose not. Close, a crash. Allez, come on. Yes. Whew. We have to keep clicking, right? Applying, applying, applying until it works. And then this happens. Yes. And now let's get something new. And that worked. Or did it not work? I installed Nordic. Then I go here and I say apply it 2 times. It's just testing our resolve, that's all. Yes, do you want it? Yes, do you really want it? Yes. So the other one was this one, which I also think was a nice one, or was it another one? I'm not sure. Let's test it out. He wants my password. The longer version. Look, done. Errore. Yes, errore, errore. So let's do a cancel and see if we can stop this thing. Ah, stop, stop, stop. So not that one, I guess. Nordic, you just wait till they fix it. Maybe it was this one. It was something with Nordic, Nord or something, which I liked. This is user based, right? It has nothing to do with the distro, nothing at all. It's just people, you and me, doing things. But this might be related with how things, but I don't think so, because the other one was successful, right? Maybe we're missing some package to decompress, might be. But Edna is there, so Edna works. So why does this one work and not the other? Things that you need to solve if you're on BlendOS. Ah, come on. Now it's at the top. Okay, cool. So what do we have? We have this. K-trip, oh my god. The train. Let's go by train. Okay. Thanks. But no thanks. Multimedia, that's good. Tele Scout. Recorder. What is Tele Scout? Please select your favorites. Favorites. Select favorites or favorites. No idea. Arte BBC4 plus. What happens now? Can we make this bigger? No dragging. Okay. Okay. No clue what that is. Congress. There are so many Plasma things that I still don't know. A Wacom tablet finder, got somewhere in the closet, never use it. Quick disk. Jumping up and down, and that was it. Okay, disk free. Looks like a terminal output put into a GUI. Actually interesting. Overlay. Overlay. Okay. So quite a few things that you can have a look at, like the tea time calm Francis Firelight, what all that is, right? If you install KDE Plasma or KDE apps, I think it's called, you get all the apps from Plasma, and it's quite a lot, right? It's a big range of things I'll never use, but are interesting. Things in here that are actually, well, some of them, right? Depending on the person who's looking at Plasma. What is this little thing here? Power management, icon. Nice icon. Scroll to adjust screen brightness. Can we do that in VirtualBox? Don't think so. Quick disk is here. But is there nothing to show me? Ah, that's how it works. Just right mouse click it. And quit. Yes. Voila, we've got it. We've looked around. There's still a lot of things to do or to test, or right, how to install things from so many resources. How do we get them in there? But yeah, good enough for me for today. First time BlendOS. Cheers.